And as we earlier said, that after improving a process, you need to make sure that whatever improvements you have made, those improvements stay. You need to make sure that your process doesn't drift back to the old way of working, and for that you need to put certain controls in the process to make sure that whatever achievements you have made, those achievements remain. Few tools which we will be covering here in the control phase will be the control plan. This is the plan which will tell that how we want to control our process, and then we will talk about control charts. And if you remember, in analyze phase, we briefly touch upon the concept of common cause and special cause. So that's something which is related to the control chart. Control charts help us in identifying special causes. And then in addition to that, we will be talking about the document control in the control phase. How does documentation helps us in controlling a process? So with this, we covered all the 5 phases of DMAIC approach: define, measure, analyze, improve and control. So as we move from section 2, 3, 4, 5, we will be looking at all these concepts related to define, measure, analyze, improve and control.